The Chancellor's budget and COP26 are vying for the headlines as the economic recovery from COVID-19 continues at pace and world leaders grapple with the global climate change crisis. Activity in the housing market is starting to calm, although buyers' demand and sales volumes remain stronger than a year ago. Estimated residential sales volumes in September were the third highest ever recorded according to data published by the HMRC. Zoopla has reported that sales volumes to date in 2021 are 16% above the 5-year average. Whether sales volumes in 2021 will eclipse the 1.6 million recorded in 2007 remains to be seen. It will undoubtedly be close. Demand from prospective home movers remains higher year on year, with 20CI estimating the number of households on the home moving journey is up by over 14%, with nearly 700,000 households wanting to or that are about to move. The flow of new instructions to the market remains low, with over a third less properties available in mid-October compared to the 5-year average. And this continues to underpin prices. The average price of a UK property has risen by £25,000 over the past year, and all national price growth indices are in positive territory. Annual price growth across the prime markets of England and Wales is currently 6.7%, and the average price of a prime property is nearly £100,000 more expensive than a year ago. The budget has set a positive tone for the economy over the next year. The Office of Budget Responsibility predicts the economy is set to return to pre-COVID-19 levels at the beginning of 2022, which is 6 months earlier than previously forecasted. Unemployment looks like peaking at 5.2%, which is far lower than the predicted 11.9%. In real terms, wages have risen by 3.4% since February 2020, although with inflation currently at 3.1% and forecast by the Bank of England to rise to around 5% by spring 2022, household incomes will be squeezed. Base rates are expected to rise slowly, with an anticipated increase to 0.25% in December. This may act as a soft brake on the market. However, with over 80% of homeowners currently on fixed rate mortgage deals, it is unlikely there will be a significant readjustment of the market in the short term. The UN Climate Change Conference COP26 has placed a spotlight once again on environmental issues and sustainability. The built environment is thought to be responsible for around 40% of global CO2 emissions. For home buyers, green credentials matter. 3 in every 4 home movers consider the EPC rating of a property to be important or very important. Energy efficiency is a primary reason why home movers are considering newly built properties. Over the past year, just 7% of resale properties that sold had an energy rating of A or B, and only a third rated A, B or C. Meanwhile, 90% of new build homes were rated A or B. The UK government has set a goal that all homes should achieve an EPC rating of C by 2035. With improvements, 94% of properties could reach this level, but that figure drops to 88% for properties that are priced over £1 million. Improvements to the energy efficiency of a home may add value. Over the past year, homes that have sold with an energy rating of A or B have commanded a sale price premium of over 10% above the average rating D.